Have you ever purchased an EV part that you just had to have and then never even bother unboxing it? Well, neither have I. Having grown tired of tripping over this box over the last couple months, I think it's finally time we unbox it. So let's take a look at see what's inside this box. Hi! All right, so let's take a look and see what's inside this box, and then we'll have some words about it. In that one. Well, shit, maybe this will explain the price, why it was so cheap and what I paid for it. It's tinier than I expected. Right, well, first reaction. Where's the rest of it? This is the size of a 4-slice toaster. Actually, I don't know why I'm complaining. This is great. Let's talk about what it is. So what is this sexy beast? Well, this is a Mitsubishi Outlander charger, onboard battery charger. I believe it is a combo unit. It is also a DC-DC converter. And this one comes to me from the UK. That's right. We technically have Mitsubishi Outlanders in the States, the EV model, but they're not very prevalent. You might spot one maybe once a year on the roads. They definitely are not in abundance, and we definitely don't have the parts in the junkyard, the wrecking yards like you folks do in Ook. So when this thing came up on eBay, I just decided to watch it. It was listed on UK's eBay, and then I got a notice, would I be willing to buy it for an offer that the seller made to me, 95 pounds, which was approximately 120 bucks, and I couldn't say no. So I purchased this over 2-3 months ago, and then it sat in my garage. So here I'm just gonna remove these brackets, stock brackets. 1, so that I can lose them, and 2, because it's fun. 12 or 13. Oh, 12 or maybe. Jeez! Looks like these were tightened by Chuck Norris. Wow. Seriously? I'm guessing this is some sort of a communications port. Wish we had the other end. I need to reach out to my Ook brothers to hook me up with a plug for that end. I'm sure it's fully documented at openinverter.org. wiki. How many brackets were on here? Okay. Once again, I'm looking like I never used a spanner before. All right, so what do I know about this thing? Nothing. It is liquid cooled, so there's a port here and a port here. These will get hoses on them, obviously to circulate some coolant. So something like this, orange is high voltage. I'm guessing this would be coming in from a sort of a J1772 port plug, which I'll try to buy the OEM one from an Outlander. If you guys know of any sources, I appreciate it. This here, I believe this is a positive outlet to charge the car battery, because this is a charger and a DC-DC converter. DC-DC converter would be sort of like an alternator to charge the car battery. Electric cars still need car batteries. And yeah, communications. Oh, let's look at the business end. Right here, I think this is the main connection to the traction battery. It'd be nice to have that plug, obviously. But looks like a really nice little unit. I mean, it looks quality. What do I know about it? So I'm gonna bag and tag these brackets in the Ziploc baggie, label them, forget where I put them in the garage. And yeah, move on to the next step.